how to deactivate Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then first open up your Facebook application. Now log into your account. You can log into any account that you would like to deactivate, and then simply go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, and now go for settings and privacy, and again go for settings, and now you can go for see more and account center, and then you can scroll down, and here you can go for personal details, and under personal details you will have account ownership and control. Tap on that, and here you will have deactivation or deletion option. Tap on that, and you can choose your Facebook account, and then tap on deactivate option, and then continue. And now to deactivate your account, you need to enter the password. So make sure to enter your password, and once you enter your password, tap on continue. And once you tap on that, here you need to select a reason why you would like to deactivate your account, and then tap on continue, and again tap on continue, and now again tap on deactivate my account, and that's it. Your account has been deactivated. So that's how you deactivate your Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.